Sammy.
Hi guys, how are you? It's Sammy. Have you ever tried musubi? How about kimbap, which is seaweed rice roll? 여러분, 무수비 드셔보셨나요? 김밥은요? Both are very yummy and handy, so it's perfect dishes for a picnic, I guess. 둘 다 너무 맛있고 가지고 다니기도 편해서 소풍 음식으로는 딱이죠. I personally think making musubi is easier than making kimbap, but I prefer Korean kimbap to musubi. 저는 개인적으로 무수비가 김밥보다는 만들기 편하다고 생각하는데 김밥을 무수비보다는 또 좋아해요. So, I've decided to make the mixed one today. 그래서 오늘은 두 가지 음식을 조합해 보려고요. And I'm calling it 무수비 김밥. Isn't it cool? 전 이걸 무수비 김밥이라고 부르려고 해요. 어때요? 괜찮지 않아요? Then shall we start? 시작해 볼까요? Cut the cucumber and carrot into thin strips. Be careful when you use the slicer. The other day, I cut myself and it really hurt. A bit of salt and mix it together like this. We call this section 조물조물. 조물조물. Egg. This time I'm using only one egg, but you can use 2 eggs if you want. These are yellow pickled radish. We call it 단무지. You can get it from the Korean market easily. Spam. This canned ham is Koreans' favorite. Sometimes things doesn't work as you think. There you go. Around 1 centimeter thick will be good. Blanch ham in boiling water, about 1 minute. Take them out. Then the ham is going to be not that salty. It's good for your health. Over low heat, a bit of oil. Make the egg flat, moving the pan. Here comes the nervous moment. I know, it's not the perfect circle, but still okay. Let's stir fry the carrot with a bit of salt. Let's cut the egg into the size of the canned ham, the spam can. Nice. And the leftover is going to my mouth right away. Let's make yujang. Yujang means the sauce mixed with soy sauce and sesame oil in this recipe. We're gonna brush it to the rice later. Wash up and wipe the can with a paper towel so it gets dry. Now it's clean. A little less than 2 bowls of rice. These are kim, which is seaweed paper. We're going to use 2 sheets. I bought the roasted one, by the way. Put the kim into the can like this. Spam. Eggs. 1 big spoon rice. Press down. and brush 유장. Smells good. Cucumber. Nice color. Yellow pickled radish. And carrot. Getting pretty. A big spoon rice again. Press down so every ingredient stick to one another. Let's take out the ugly carrot. If the rice sticks to spoon too much, please use water. Forward one side. The rice grain could be the glue. Let's take it out. Wow, we can make 4 of this with our ingredients. I cut into quarters, but it depends. Look how colorful it is. Brush some sesame oil to make it shiny. And it's gonna be more yummy because of the sesame oil. Look how beautiful it is. It looks like musubi, but it obviously is gimbap. Then I'll call it Musubi Gimbap. Enjoy your dish and see you soon. 또 만나요.